It's unbelievable. It feels like months since I was able to find a whole Hot Wheels set on the PAX, but today was the day and I was able to get the whole Gran Turismo set. So in this video, we will do an unboxing, but before we get into that, I think we do have to talk a little bit about the changes that Hot Wheels made this year. So this set of models, I would call them mid-range models because, you know, we do have our, let's say, regular mainline Hot Wheels models for, in my area, they do cost €1.50 at the moment. Then we do get this type of models. I call them mid-range models. They have a little bit more deco. You pay €4 or €5 for them. And then we have our premium models with metal body, a metal base, and the rubber tires. And they do cost around 10 or €12 right now. So last year I did a video in which I was complaining a little bit about these mid-range models because I said, basically, you get a mainline model with a little bit more deco, and they do cost, let's say, around 3 times as much as a mainline model, and you don't really get more, let's say, diecast. But now Hot Wheels has changed something. First of all, if you take a look at the card out here on top, these mid-range models do now come with a silver line here on top and a silver Hot Wheels logo. And the premium models now do have the golden logo. But the main change is that some of them now do come with a metal base, which is pretty cool. So in one of my last videos, I showed you this example. I think this is from a set called Hot Wagons or something. And this Datsun 510 wagon is coming with a metal base, which is pretty cool. So we have a metal body, metal base, and plastic tires. But yeah, it feels, you know, really heavy. It feels really good, and it's a little bit more, you know, it's feeling like more quality, basically. So, and they did the same with this set. The problem is, I don't think all of them have a metal base. You know, I took a first look at them, and I think the GR Supra and the Nissan GT-R do have a metal base, and the other ones don't. We will see that in the unboxing. I'm not 100% sure. We will see. But I'm not really sure if that is a really good decision because, you know, all of them did cost €4 in the store. And, you know, I guess all the collectors want the models with the metal base. So I'm not really think that's a good decision. And I would be interested in your opinion. Write it in the comments down below. What do you think? Is it a good decision that some of these models do have a metal base and some of them don't? So with that said, I would say we get into the unboxing. But first of all, let's take a look at the card art, which is pretty cool. And if you take a close look, one of the card art is different. I have no idea why, to be honest. If you take a look at the GT-R, I think it's the number 2 of this set. It comes with a different typography on top. No idea why that is. If you know, write it in the comments down below. Anyways, so now I would say let's get started with this one here, which is the 73 BMW 3.0 CSL Race Car. And this one is looking really good. Really cool card art with the lights on. Looking so good. Really cool. So let's open this one up. And yeah, I can already tell you this is a plastic base. So the camera down. Yeah. Like I told you, I don't think it's a good decision. Anyways, we take a look at our model, and this one is pretty nice. So as you can see, it comes with the Gran Turismo badge here on the side. I really like this orange glossy livery, looking really good in my opinion. So get the BMW badge on the front. Pretty detailed headlights and grille, looking really, really good. This is the back, also pretty nice. And there's one thing I'm not really sure about, and that's the wheels. I think these are, you can call them 5-spokes, but in my opinion, these are typical Porsche wheels. Or let's say typical Porsche wheels from the 70s Porsches. I can show you on this one. It's a perfect wheel for this type of Porsche. But yeah, anyways, it's a pretty nice model. So it would have been very cool if this one had also got a metal base. So into the parking lot it goes, and we go on with the 2017 Nissan GT-R R35, the one with a different card art, and yeah, this one's looking really, really good. And I think it has a metal base, we will see. So yeah, here you can see it. This is definitely a metal base. Still has plastic tires. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, you know, the cars feel so much better with a metal base. Very, very cool. We get very, very crisp details on this one. We also get these lensed headlights. I really like that. And look right here, also the windshield banner. Really nice. Really, really nice model. I mean, for €4, this is really, really good. Really. It's a little scratch here on the wing. A little bit unfortunate, but anyways, this is a really, really nice Hot Wheels model, and also we don't get any scratches on the windshield. Happened very often in the last time. And we can see, or we can check the weight here on the side. You can't see that I brought a scale and I put the BMW on it, and this one is 32 grams. And our Nissan is 50 grams. So, yeah. I mean, you know, it doesn't make it a better model, but it feels so good. Metal base is just really cool. Looking so good with these black rims. Really nice. So, next one up is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Also really nice car, really cool deco. There we go. And you can see also a plastic base, unfortunately. But it's still a very good looking model. This one comes also with this really nice windshield banner and a lot of deco. It's an interesting color. It's seems like it's shifting a little bit between yellow and orange, but yeah, looking really good. Also comes with these kind of lensed headlights. Makes the cars look so much better in my opinion. The wheels do match the car. Also a pretty nice one in this set. Into the parking lot it goes as we go on with the 2024 Mustang Shelby GT500. I'm not a huge fan of these Mustangs, but I thought I'd get the whole set. And this one is looking really good, by the way. Really cool livery. And as I mentioned, plastic base. Wheels to come with these chrome lips. And this one has a really, really nice color. It's a dark, glossy blue. These racing stripes. Also has the windshield banner, a lot of deco on the side, the Ford badge. Some pretty nice details on the front. And on the back, also really, really good. You know, normally there's always one or maybe two cars in the set that you don't like, but this is a really cool set. I mean, look at the colors. Really cool color range in my opinion. So now there's only one left, which is the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. So this one up. And there we go. You can see it. This one also has a metal base. It's kind of heavy. Also a lot of deco, looking really, really nice. What a cool set. I'm pretty impressed. And I'm pretty happy that I could find a whole set. To be honest with you, I bought two of each model, so I can keep one whole set carded. Because in my opinion, this is a really cool set. Really nice. Let's put this one also on the scale. There we go. 46 grams. We can also put our Mustang on the scale, 37 grams, and the Porsche, 34 grams. So yeah, let's put these to the side. As you also have seen, they have, or all of them do have different wheels than our normal mainline models from Hot Wheels. So we bring them together for final picture. Yeah, once again, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm not really sure if it's a good idea that only two of them do have a metal base, in my opinion, because I guess they are, you know, or the people will be really after the ones with the metal base. That's just my opinion. Tell me what you think. You know, as always, I'm trying to pick a favorite, and in this case, for me, it's a GT-R, and mainly it's because of the metal base. It feels so good. Really nice model. Yeah. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe this channel. I can definitely recommend that. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.